Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, now see here, we are going to start one of the additional concept. Okay, and that additional concept it belongs to our structure of atom. It is not in your this syllabus, but it is very much important for your what? For competitive exams. Okay, either you're for engineering, then medical. Okay, for your JEE exam, NEET exam. I think you aware about this all above exams, JEE, then NEET. Okay, so for that, in structure of atom, very much important topic. Now I am going to discuss. It is one of the additional concept for you. Okay, as we saw our electronic configuration also, then K element shell also we saw. Okay, in that somewhere you heard this word orbit, orbitals. Okay, so first we are concentrating on what is a orbit and orbital. So we will see here orbit versus orbital. Okay, so very much important and curious this concept. Means up till that up to 10 standard you have to write electronic configuration in the terms of 2 8 8 2 comma 8 comma 8 2. Okay, after that for higher atomic number, okay, for what will happen in that new discovery will happen. Okay, in that distribution of electrons according to our SPDF, whatever that block we saw in our periodic classification of elements. Okay, so whatever I am saying, okay, उसको जरा अच्छे से समझना आप. Okay, from the our structure of atom. Now see here what will happen. Whatever our point here, orbit is say orbit versus orbital. So very much important here, orbit versus orbital. Okay, so what will happen here, as you know, okay, as you know, like this, say it is your nucleus, first shell, then what, our second shell, okay, third shell, like that we are drawing. Now this nucleus, first shell, second shell, third shell. Okay, so whatever here electrons that are revolving in first shell, as you know, 2, then here how much, 8. Okay, 2 8. Okay, suppose you are writing for sodium, 2 comma 8 comma 1. Okay, sodium, as you know, atomic number 11, 2 comma 8 comma 1, like that. Understood? So here orbit means what we can say as a shell or energy level, where, or we can say path of electrons, or we can say what, path of electrons, that electrons revolving around a nucleus. Understood? So whatever this path of electron, we call it as a what? Yes, orbit. Okay, and in your orbit may contain 2 or more than 2 electrons. In orbit may contain 2 or more than 2 electrons. Understood? In orbit. Okay, see here, 2 or more than 2 electrons. Okay, so इस concept को अच्छे से समझना बच्चे. Okay, very much important. Orbit understood. Now see what is the orbital. Okay, so for orbital, okay, say, and I previously also I told, orbital is what? It is a region where probability of finding electron is maximum. Okay, orbital is what? Yes, orbital where probability of finding electron, yes, finding electron is maximum. Understood? So very much important is, and one more thing here important. Okay, ध्यान से सुनना. One more thing is important. In your orbital contain maximum 2 electrons. Yes. In your that orbital contains, yes, contains maximum 2 electrons. Okay. So very much important is. Okay. Now whatever our next. Okay. That next is, okay. You understood what is the orbit versus orbital. Orbit versus orbital. So see here, ध्यान से पढ़ना इसको. Say in orbit versus orbital, what will happen here? Here we have to discuss most important after this, and that important thing is quantum number. Okay, that important thing is what? Quantum numbers. Okay, so क्या होते हैं ये quantum number? Okay, I think you first only heard this word. What? Yes. See what that word? Say quantum number. Okay, so see in quantum number means what? Okay, it is a set of, especially what? It is a set of 4 numbers, and it is used to locate the electrons and to determine the amount of energy associated with it. Okay, quantum number is what? Basically it is a set of 4 numbers, and it is used to locate the electron. Okay, it is used to locate the electron and to determine the energy associated with it. Okay, energy and where it electrons. Okay, that is important here. So understood what is quantum number. Okay, so in another word also we can write here. So see how we can write the definition for this. These are numbers which is required to locate, electrons into an atom. Okay, so or we can say here what? Address of electron. In short, what we can write? Address of electrons. Okay, address of electrons. So see how we can find the address of electron here. So see, very much easy here. And first you know atom. That everyone you know. Okay, atom. Then what? Yes, orbit. Okay, first is what? Atom, then orbit, then shell. As you know, KLM in shell. Then subshell. Subshell, that only we are going to discuss in briefly here. SPDF, subshell. Okay, then what? Yes, orbitals. What? Here, orbitals. Okay, then after orbitals is what? Your electrons. So it is what? Address of electron. Understood? Atom, then orbit, shell, subshell, orbitals and electrons. So here very much important is ध्यान देना इस पर, whatever I am saying. Okay, so see here, now we will discuss which are that 4 quantum numbers. Which are that 4 quantum numbers. Okay, so we will see that which are those 4 quantum numbers. Okay, see here that 4 quantum numbers. First we are going to discuss here, say, principal quantum number. Principal quantum number, it is denoted by letter small n. Principal quantum number, okay, it is denoted by letter small n. Okay, so what they describe, principal quantum number, what they describe? So it describe, see here, it describe the size of atom. It describes size of an atom. Okay, so as you know, they give, as you know, that simple formula. Okay, so maximum electrons in an orbital, that we done. Maximum electrons, okay, maximum electrons in orbital. So that maximum number of electrons in orbital, as you know, with the help of formula, maximum electrons in orbital 2n square. So we saw this for K element shell, that n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, 4. Okay, so see here, and maximum orbitals, maximum orbitals, that maximum orbitals formula is what? N square. Yes, n square. Understood? So maximum electrons in orbitals, as you know, raised to n square formula. But here new formula is ready to meet you. That what? Maximum orbitals n square. Okay, so each and everything we have to discuss here in briefly. Okay, so see here, in principal quantum number, as you know, okay, so we will make here one chart. So you will come to know here orbit, as you know, orbit, that what path of electron, that electrons revolving around the what nucleus, orbit. Okay, so next is what? Electrons, and next is what? Orbitals. That orbitals, now only we study their formula, what? N square. So how we can to make this chart here? So see, n is equal to 1. Okay, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and what? N is equal to 4. So we saw this. Okay, so electrons, as you know, according to our 2n square, here what? 2, 8, 18, and 32, and n to n square. So see here, n square, you are ready with this? 1 square 1, 2, okay, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So that much orbitals. So are you getting my point here? अच्छे से समझना बच्चों, whatever this going on, orbit versus what? Orbitals. Okay, so see here, we saw this all. N is equal to 1, electrons we know, and orbitals n square. So 1, 4, 9, and what? 16. Okay, so these are what? So see, these are what your, whatever your number of orbit and orbitals with respect to electrons. Okay, now we will discuss here, or we can say in another language, whatever principal quantum number, what tells us? That tells us, okay, which principal energy level or shell the electrons is present. Okay, electrons is present, how much electrons is present. Okay, so we will move towards next quantum number, that is what your azimuthal quantum number. Which quantum number? Next quantum number. Okay, so see here, azimuthal quantum number. That azimuthal quantum number letter is what? Small l. Azimuthal quantum number. Okay, so what it describes? So it describes the shape of electron. Yes, here it describes the shape of electrons, or we can say electron cloud, and the number of subshell, and what? The number of subshell in a shell. In a shell means what? K element. Or we can say n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Okay, that. So here, very much important thing, you concentrate on this, because these all, whatever these quantum numbers, orbitals, that you are again discuss in your 11th standard also. Okay. But I am taking this additional concept in your 9th standard in structure of atoms. So you take benefit of that. Okay, understood. So most of the things you clear here only in 9th standard. Okay, so see, it describes the shape of electron and a number of subshell in a shell. Okay, now see here, one of the important here, their value. It can have values. It can have values. Okay, so see that values between 0 to n minus 1. 0 to n minus 1. That is, so see, that is how we can write this. Okay, so see here, 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so like that, L is equal to 0. Yes, L is equal to 0 means what? Your S. Okay, then L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1 means what? Yes, P. Okay, then here L is equal to 2 means what? D. L is equal to 3 means what? F. Okay, L is equal to 3, F. So 0 to n minus 1, how it can we can identify this here. For that you must know the n value also. So n is equal to 1, here you know n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So that you know beta. Okay, so finally how we can write this? Okay, so see, finally how we can write this? For L is equal to, for S subshell. Okay, now see here, for L subshell, finally how we can write? Yes, here only what? Your 0. For your S subshell, L is equal to what? Yes, 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1 means what? SP. For L is equal to, yes, in that their value is what? 0, 1, 2 means what? S, P and D. So here all, for F subshell L is equal to 3. So G, sorry, yes, N is equal to 4. So here how we can write? 0, 1, 2, 3. So n minus 1 how here? So as you know, n minus n is what your? Yes, n is what your principal quantum number. Okay, so for S subshell n minus 1, so n is equal to 1, that you know. So for n minus 1 means what? 1 minus 1, so 0. Therefore S subshell, how much value here? 0. Understood? So this thing you have to keep in mind. It is a what? Basic thing. Okay, so here after that, so how we can write this all? When n is equal to 4, S, P, D and F. That value is what? S, P, D and F. So like that here, all regarding your azimuthal quantum number. So that azimuthal quantum number is what? We can designate as a L, small l. Okay. So like that we have to do here. Okay. Now most of the things I told here regarding your what? Azimuthal quantum number. Okay. So see, when your L is equal to 1 means what? P. So in that 0, 1. When L is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2. For L is equal to 3, what? Yes, here obviously N is equal to 4. So on the basis of that only we done. Okay, understood? So like that here we have to do, we have to keep in mind all that values of what? Azimuthal quantum number. Okay, so we will move towards our next part. Okay, or in simply whatever this value you have to keep in mind, in simply we can write like this. See here, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So these are what your principal quantum number. Okay, for that then whenever you are writing for subshell S, P, D and F, so at that time your L is equal to how will come? For S subshell 0, L is what? 1, here what? 2 and here what? 3. Understood? And again here value, these are for what? Yes, here 0 only. Okay. So for P, here we are writing like this, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2 and what? 3. Okay. Like that means these are what? Whatever subshells, including this 0. Why we are writing again 0? Because this S and P, SPD, okay, SPD, SPD and F. So whenever we are writing electronic configuration at that time you have to use this. That's why I am writing here from 0. Okay, that's why I am writing from here 0 again and again. Okay, as you know, when S subshell maximum 2 electrons. Okay, in second shell how many electrons? 8 electrons. So in that, how much? Yes, beta, here 2 subshell involvement in your second shell. That is L shell, S and P. In third shell, SPD for higher atomic number. Okay, so most of the students facing here problem. So understood why I am writing again and again here. Okay, so अच्छे से समझना इसको. So our next, that is so hello students. Now we will see next our magnetic quantum number. So in magnetic quantum number, okay, so word itself suggested that, okay, so magnetic quantum number in that it describe the behavior of electrons. It describe what they are describing. It describes the behavior of electrons in magnetic field. Describe the behavior of electrons in magnetic field. Okay, so as you know that the movement of electric charge is always accompanied by what? Is always associated with magnetic field. Is always associated with magnetic field. Okay, so keep in mind this. Okay, always your electric charge is associated with what? Magnetic field. Okay, so whatever this magnetic quantum number, they are giving us actual number of orbitals present Okay, actual number of orbitals present in given what? Subshell. Understood? So it have also values. So like that, as we know, for principal quantum number n is equal to 1, so there a number start from 1, 2, 3, 4. For azimuthal quantum number, that value start from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And for your this magnetic quantum number, that is small m. Okay, so like that here, so see here your first point, here your second point. Now you concentrate on third point. Okay, so very much in simple language I am saying this, all whatever quantum numbers are there. Okay, so it also some values. So say it can have values between minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L, including, yes, including 0, like that. These are what your magnetic quantum number. Okay, so see here, as you know, that each subshell, so subshell means what? Your S, P, D and F. So there are some numbers of subtypes also. Okay, so like that, I want to show this in very few minutes. How many types of that subshell? As you know, subshell is what? Your S, P, D and F. S, P, D and what? And what your F? So here there are some types. Okay, so S is what? Here only one. Okay, understood? Only one type. Now here one type only, H, because their shape is what? Spherical. Okay, whatever electrons cloud is distributed all over that orbital. Okay, so there is only what? One type. But in P types, P subshell. Okay, so these are what beta here? Subshell. These all are what? These all are what? Subshell. As you know, shell is what? Your K element. Subshell, S, P, D and F. Okay, here one type only one. S is what? S orbital. One only your S orbital. Keep in mind. In that maximum electrons how much? 2. Okay, so see here, P type. So in P subshell, there are some types: Px, Py, and what? Pz. Yes, Px, Py, and Pz. These are subtypes of your P subshell. Okay, so see here, D also there. In that D, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, and what? Dz square, and what? Dz square. Understood? So these are 5 subtypes of what? D subshell. Okay, A for there, but it is what? For degree level. Okay, so up to 12th standard you have to keep in mind up to D. Okay, so understood this? Here only one type, so one only here S orbital. Okay, here P how many sub? 3. Here how much? 5. So in that each having 2 electrons. So here how much? Like that here we have to represent spin up and spin down. So here what? Like this. Okay, that also we are going to discuss. Means here what? Px, Py and Pz, and for suppose you are writing for this D, so total what? 5 orbitals. In that 2 electrons with what? Opposite spin. First you have to fill singly, then pairing what taking place. Here some rules also there after that. So say here like that. Okay, so we will move forward. Okay, so understood. S means your one only. P in that three subtypes. D is what? 5. Okay. So these are what types of your subshells. Okay. Now see here. Now we will discuss here one small here formula. How we can find what? How we can find number of orbitals in each subshell. Okay. So ready for that. Now only we saw this. See here. For magnetic quantum number, one formula 2L plus 1. What here? 2L plus 1. Okay, so as you know here, beta, see, for this 2L plus 1 formula, if L is equal to 0, okay, because our azimuthal quantum number values start from where? 0 only. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is for S. P for what? 1, D for 2, 3 for what? L is equal to 3, A for orbital. So if L is equal to 0, okay, so suppose we are what? We are going to put this value of L in that. So 2 into 0 plus 1. So how much you will get here? Answer, yes, one only answer you will get after solving. Means these are for what? Your for S subshell. S subshell. Understood? Very much easy. So if L is equal to 1, so we have to put this value in our formula. 2 into 1 plus 1. Yes, 3 subshell. Now only I discuss how many types of that P subshell, Px, Py, Pz. Okay, with the diagram we have to discuss in higher standard. But simply you have to concentrate on this. For what? For writing advanced electronic configuration. Because for higher atomic number, we want to write advanced theory, that Bohr-Bury scheme. Okay, after that this quantum number came. Okay, now see here. Understood? So these are what? For P subshell. Okay, if yes, L is equal to 2, so 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, how much? 5. So these are what? For D subshell. Understood? Got my point? Now see here. If L is equal to 3, then what will happen? Yes. How much? 7. So these are what? Means for information, you must know for F subshell how much? Total 7 orbitals. In that 14 electrons. Okay. So very much interesting. These are all are okay, structure of atom in that advanced theory. Okay, but beta you have to keep in mind up to 10 standard. For 10 standard, this electronic configuration our simple 281 2 2,8,2. Okay, like that. So these are what? For F subshell. Understood? Got my point here? Okay. So see here, like that here we discuss what? Your magnetic quantum number. Now we will discuss fourth. Fourth is what? Yes. Say. But here sometimes your magnetic quantum number is designated as like this. M and base what? L. Because value whatever this magnetic quantum number is coming from what? Which azimuthal quantum number. That's why M and on base what? Small l. Small l is what? Your azimuthal quantum number. Okay. So keep in mind all this. अच्छे से समझना उसको. Whatever we saw this all. Okay. Now we will discuss your next quantum number we will discuss. C4 quantum number. Spin quantum number. Okay, here what? MS. At the base what? Here S. Okay. So one thing here you have to concentrate, spin quantum number. Okay. For that you must know this theory part of this. So see here, electrons in an atom is not only revolving around the nucleus. Electrons in atom is not only revolving around the nucleus, but is also spinning. Yes, but also spinning around its what? Own axis. Okay. Electrons in atom is not only revolving around the nucleus, but is also spinning around its own axis. Understood? So from very much in simple language I am saying. Okay, hope you understood all this. Whatever our principal quantum number, okay, then azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and our fourth is what? Spin quantum number. Okay, so see here, but also spinning around its own axis. So see, in 1925, two scientists are there, George and Samuel. In 1925, George and Samuel discovered this fourth quantum number. Discovered this fourth, yes, quantum number. Understood? So very much important is, okay, our next point is what's here? Whatever these electrons, okay, these are what your first point here. Next, in our spin quantum number, whatever second point, electrons can spin only in two ways. So say, electrons can spin only in two ways. So which are those ways? Yes, spin up and spin down. Like that I shown here in the types of S, P, D orbitals. Spin up, spin down. So see, electrons can spin in two ways. Yes, see here. See here that we can write spin up, spin down, or further we can call this, we can call, see, clockwise, yes, clockwise and what? Anti-clockwise. Clockwise and what? Anti-clockwise. Okay, so see, and their values also they give. There are two values. So see, which are those two values? Like that, spin up, spin down. Spin up means what? Clockwise, and spin down is what? Anti-clockwise. So spin up, their value plus half. Here what? Spin down, their value is what? Minus half. So this also very much important here. Keep in mind. Okay. Spin down means what? Spin up and what? Spin down. Like that. Okay. So these are very much important. Spin up, spin down. Spin up clockwise. Spin down is what? Anti-clockwise. Their value plus half and what? Minus half. Okay. Understood? So we can write like this also. Ms is equal to plus half, or Ms is equal to what? Minus half. Spin up, spin down. Spin up and spin down. Okay. So we have to discuss some extra examples also on this. Okay. So after that, here some rules for filling orbitals in an atom. Okay, after what our point next? Some rules for filling orbitals in an atom. So beta, that we will discuss within a second. Okay, so thank you. Hope you understood all. Take care and stay safe. Thank you. Third, magnetic quantum number. Okay, so that magnetic quantum number we will say in within a few seconds. Okay.